to Cooking with Kid Troy. On today's episode, we'll be making Parmesan Topped Salmon. Let's get started. So first, we're going to season the salmon. Actually, much faster.
Good job, buddy. And make sure you do it skin side down.
So now let's make our Parmesan topping. First, let's add the base, which is mayo. Mayo is my friend, though. Get all that mayo. Now let's add the pepper.
And salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper. Now let's add the lemon juice.
Just a splash of lemon juice.
Yep. And
then you're adding rosemary, right?
Yep.
Fresh chopped rosemary.
And then we'll add the cheese. Yuck!
All right, stir all that up. Yeah, well, let's put a little garlic in there too. All right, that looks good, buddy. So now let's sear the salmon and then put the Parmesan cheese on it.
I'm a mixer.
Yeah, all right.
So now we're gonna sear our salmon.
That's good.
Okay.
Good job, buddy. Yeah, stir the olive oil around. There you go. All right, now put the salmon in skin side down.
Okay.
Good job.
Sear both sides of the salmon. Now let's add the Parmesan cheese. Yeah. Why?
Put a whole lot of it on there.
Okay. Like this much?
Yep.
I was trying to get that part right there as well, but now I got it.
Good job, buddy. Save some for the second one. There you go.
Putting a lot of this on the second one. Now we top the Parmesan cheese. Let's get it in the oven. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Good job, buddy. Looks good. You ready?
Almost one more part to it. There we go.
Cool.
Now it's
You want to do it or you want me to do it? Good job, buddy. Styling and profiling? Okay.
Set the timer for 10 minutes on 375. So here's our Parmesan Topped Salmon. That looks delicious. Now I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, leave a like below and smash that like button. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.